Welcome to our intro to commercial liability insurance training. Insurance may not be the first thing on your mind when you are trying to run a business. So, at Amazon, we keep things simple. What is commercial liability insurance? Commercial liability insurance helps protect you and your customers in the event that a product you sell is defective and causes property damage or personal injury to a customer. It provides coverage for repairs, medical payments, and other associated costs resulting from a customer claim, including legal costs. If, for example, you sell a water filter that leaks, commercial liability insurance can help cover the cost of the repairs for the filter and any property damage resulting from the leak. It can also save you from having to pay all the expenses yourself. Or, if you sell a computer battery that malfunctions and causes a fire, commercial liability insurance can help cover the injured person's medical bills and protect you from having to pay all the costly reimbursements yourself. Commercial liability insurance is a safeguard and protection against risk. It helps you sell and also helps your customers buy with greater confidence. Which sellers are required by Amazon to get commercial liability insurance? We require that all sellers who list products for sale in Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Belgium, Netherlands, United Kingdom, Sweden, and Poland. Amazon stores to obtain commercial liability insurance within 30 days once they reach insurance threshold in gross proceeds in any month, where the insurance threshold means the applicable one of the following: €5,000. If the Amazon store is the Germany Amazon store, the France Amazon store, the Italy Amazon store, the Spain Amazon store, the Belgium Amazon store, or the Netherlands Amazon store, £4,000 British pounds. If the Amazon store is the United Kingdom Amazon store, 50,000 Swedish krona. If the Amazon store is the Sweden Amazon store, 22,500 Polish zloty. If the Amazon store is the Poland Amazon store. This requirement is outlined in the Amazon Services Europe Business Solutions Agreement, or BSA, which you can find by searching Seller Central. Amazon may also require a seller to get commercial liability insurance in other circumstances and will notify them if that's the case. For example, a seller may be required to get commercial liability insurance if they sell in certain high-risk categories. How do claims get resolved after they are received by Amazon? Amazon offers a streamlined process for resolving all customer claims related to defective products that are submitted under the A to Z claims process. We first evaluate a claim, which can include review by a professional independent claims adjuster. Then, once confirmed, we or a claims adjuster will work with the customer directly to resolve the case. For claims not exceeding £1,000, €1,000, 10,000 krona, or 4,200 Polish zloty, which represent more than 80% of the claims Amazon receives, we pay customers directly if you, the seller, have provided us with proof of commercial liability insurance if you are the producer of the product. If you are not the producer of the defective product, Amazon may ask you to provide documents identifying the producer of the product, for example, invoice and manufacturer's certificate of insurance, and will work with that party to resolve the claim. Amazon may hold you responsible for the concession amount if you are unable to provide the details of the producer within the timeframe provided, as long as you have maintained valid coverage as the producer of the product, or have provided documents identifying the producer of the product. We won't ask you or your insurer for reimbursement, and there will be no impact to your seller performance metrics. We will also notify you when the claim has been resolved. If Amazon receives a customer claim of more than £1,000, €1,000, 10,000 krona, or 4,200 Polish zloty, we forward it to you. And, if you have provided us with proof of commercial liability insurance as the producer of the product, your insurer. If you are not the producer of the defective product, Amazon may ask you to provide documents identifying the producer of the product, for example, invoice and manufacturer's certificate of insurance, and will work with that party to resolve the claim. Amazon may hold you responsible for the concession amount if you are unable to provide the details of the producer within the timeframe provided. For full information about the claims process, search for our A to Z claims process for property damage and personal injury page in Seller Central. This concludes our introduction to commercial liability insurance training for UK and EU stores. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon stores.